Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. And today we're going to talk about how to install a widespread bathroom faucet. This is a great project for dears who want to upgrade their bathroom without breaking the bank. Step-by-step installation. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. The first step is to turn off the water supply to your sink. You'll usually find the shut-off valves under the sink. Once they're turned off, turn on the faucet to drain any remaining water. Step 2. Remove the old faucet. Use your adjustable wrench to loosen the nuts holding the old faucet in place. Once the nuts are loose, you can remove the old faucet and the supply lines. Step 3. Install the new faucet. Now it's time to install the new faucet. Start by attaching the supply lines to the faucet. Wrap plumber's tape around the threads of the supply lines to create a watertight seal. Then, screw the supply lines into the faucet. Next, attach the mounting bracket to the sink. Make sure the holes in the bracket line up with the holes in the sink. Then, screw the bracket to the sink using the screws that came with the faucet. Step 4. Connect the supply lines. Connect the supply lines to the shut-off valves under the sink. Wrap plumber's tape around the threads of the supply lines and the shut-off valves. Then, tighten the connections with your adjustable wrench. Step 5. Install the pop-up drain assembly. If your new faucet comes with a pop-up drain assembly, install it now. Follow the instructions that came with the assembly. Step 6. Turn on the water supply. Once everything is connected, you can turn on the water supply. Check for any leaks around the connections. If you find any leaks, tighten the connections. Step 7. Test the faucet. Turn on the hot and cold water and test the faucet. Make sure the water flows smoothly and that there are no leaks. Here's where you'll share your review of the specific faucet you're installing. You can talk about its features, quality, ease of installation, and overall performance. And there you have it. Installing a widespread bathroom faucet is a relatively easy project that you can do yourself. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to enjoy your new faucet in no time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.